Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about theorem number 12 from the geometry of circles. The theorem says parallel lines intercept equal arcs. So let's suppose we have a circle like this having the center at the point O, and let's suppose we have two parallel lines like this. The lowermost line intersects the circle at points A and B, and the other parallel line intersects the circle at points C and D. And according to this theorem, we have to prove that the arc length AC is equal to the arc length BD. Let's get started with the proof. Now, in order to be able to do the proof, I have to do a little more construction here. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect A with O and C with O. So essentially, we have drawn a central angle there at the center for the arc AC. And similarly, I'm going to connect B with O and D with O. And there also we have drawn a central angle which is BOD, angle BOD. That's the central angle for the arc BD. And the final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect A with D. Since AB and CD are parallel to each other, we can assume that AD is a transversal between the two parallel lines. Next, let's suppose the angle ADC is equal to alpha. Now, if you think about the arc AC, angle ADC is nothing but an inscribed angle on the major segment, of course, and angle AOC is the central angle. We know from a previous theorem that central angle is double the size of the inscribed angle. So in this case, the central angle AOC should be 2 times alpha. Now, because AD is the transversal between two parallel lines, angle ADC will also be equal to the angle DAB. They will be the alternate angles on the either sides of the transversal between two parallel lines. So they will be the alternate angles. So angle ADC will be equal to angle DAB. Now, if you think about angle DAB, that is nothing but the inscribed angle for the arc BD. Now, what is the central angle for the arc BD? Well, central angle is actually angle BOD. So, angle BOD will be 2 times the size of the angle DAB. That means angle BOD should be 2 times alpha. I hope things are clear up to this point. Next, let's take a look at the central angles for the two arcs, right? Here we are focusing on the arc AC and arc BD. Now, if you look at these two arcs, they both subtend the same size of central angle at the center. In a previous theorem, we have proved that equal arcs subtend equal central angle. And here, because these two arcs are subtending equal central angle, we can say then the arc lengths must be equal. So I have made a note here that central angles are equal, therefore the arcs will be of equal length. We came to this conclusion with the help of a previous theorem where we proved that equal arcs subtend equal central angles. And here, because the central angles are equal, we are claiming that the arc lengths will be equal, and that is absolutely true. So then we have been able to prove that the length of these two arcs would be equal. That means arc AC is equal to arc BD, and that's exactly what we needed to prove for this theorem. I hope the proof made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.